Hey guys, welcome to Little Spice to My Life. This is Pragati here. I hope you liked all my videos. So please subscribe to my channel and yeah, thank you for watching my videos and supporting me. This video is a little different one. It's not a traveling, it's not a knowledge one, it's not a food vlog or something like that, but it's a fashion video. It's a Zara haul, guys. This is the first time which I'm doing something with the clothing or fashion kind of a thing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the clothes which I've got from Zara, and all the clothes were from the sale collection. You could notice with the voice and the sound that I'm so excited about it, and I've waited a long time for this video. So yeah, let's hit it up, guys. So first thing I wanted to tell you was that I bought these clothes from UK. So the price would be in pounds, and these all were bought from the sale collection. So these are the discounted prices as well. So the first one which I'm showing you is the bodysuit. It's a animal print bodysuit. It's very simple. It's like this. It's like close knit, and it is like bodysuit, and also the sleeves are like deep cuts. The cloth is very good. I could show you from the closer look. It looks like this, and also the price is also very less. This one costed me around for 3.99. I would like to pair this up for a casual day, for a cafe meet or something, with the jeans or some hot pants, or some if you want to give it a little lavishing look with a skirt, the pencil skirt or something which is a little party. So yeah, that's how the top is. The next one which I would say is a rug jeans which I have got. So it's kind of this. It has a lot of rug in it, and it has a rug at the back as well. This one was on my list because for a long time I wanted to get this one, and yeah, this one costed me around like 15 pounds or so. But the denim is good. It fits. It's like loose end, so I would pair this up with something fit. So the previous top which I've showed you, so I would pair it with that one. Or if you want to pair it with a loose one, you can. But I like to make it in a way that the shape of the body is shown from the top, and this one is very loose, so it looks very flary at the bottom. So something like that. So the next one which I'm going to show you is the ice blue collection I've got. I really got fallen for blue, so I've got 3 for it. So the first one is an organza top. It's kind of this one. It has a liner in the front, and it's like franzy at the back. So it's just 3 clothes which you can see, the liner at the front, organza at the top, and the organza at the back. So that's how it looks. The cost for this one was 25.99, but yeah, it was 26 pounds. But I really love this, and I would be honest with you, I've seen people wearing these kind of tops, and since then I wanted to have this one, so I've got this one because of that. The next one is a ice blue color top. It's like a pleated one at the front, and it had a back like a fitting elastic at the back. The best thing about this is it has a chain in the side which would not loosen the elastic. Like usually if you wear the top without the chain on the side, this elastic goes bad within few days or few months. So that's the best thing about it. It fits really well, because of which I liked it. The next one is a unique thing which I've got in long time. So it is a bralette and a wraparound over it. So this is the bralette which you could wear over that wraparound or under that wraparound, and this could be paired up separately. So this is the bralette, and the top is kind of this one. It's a wraparound top. It has a knot with it, so you can tie it like this, like a wraparound. You might be able to see it in the left side of my video. So this one costed me for around 16 pounds, 15.99, but this was worth it, guys, because it has different ways of wearing it. So I like this one. So guys, the next collection which I've got is a party kind of a collection, because you always get lost in the casual wears and the vacation clothes, and you just forget to get the party clothes. So yeah, the first one is this leather skirt. It is plaits and rugged at the side. It is not called rugged, it is called I really forgot what we call at the side, and like it's a fitting one in this side, but I love this one because it is not shiny, it is very soft, and like it looks very good and it fits very best on the waist. It costed me around 13 pounds and it has a zip at the back, so yeah, it's very fine and sleek for the parties. I paired this one up with a like a shimmery top. I was never having a shimmery top in my collection, so I've got one. It is a very cute one. It is like a bodysuit, and it also has a like a neckline, a very bold neckline. It is not a strappy top. So I got this one because of the fit. This had a very nice fit on the neck and everything, and the shimmer looks very good. So with the leather one, it pairs really well. You can pair the leather one with the casual tops as well, like a high neck top or something like that, so that would also look good. I've got those ones as well. So the shimmery top has costed me, this one has costed me around 7.99, that means like 8 pounds or something, but the cloth is very good, so it's worth it, guys. So the next one is a dress, guys, which I got. This is the only dress I've got in this collection. It's a pink and a black kind of a dress. It is loose on the leg, on the upper side, and the bottoms it's like tight and fitted one. It has a deep neck, it looks like this, and a loose arm. So yeah, this costed me around 20 pounds after discount. Also, this dress is having a warm cloth. If you could see, this is like a very thick cloth and a warm one. I've got this one because it's very cold in UK, and like it's difficult to wear something short because of the cold. So this one would give you class, and it would look like a party as well if you got tight accessories with it. And this is good for an evening dinner or something like that. So the next one is a skirt, guys. It's a brown skirt. Yeah, I got fallen for skirts as well. It's a brown fox leather skirt, and it has a liner in it. To be honest, this is a skirt that I've seen that Riju Kumar used to wear in her like previous videos. Yeah, I actually copied this one, but this was so good, and I've waited for so long that I would get this kind of skirt, and I got it finally. So I bought it like the minute I saw it. So yeah, this costed me around 30 pounds. It was a little costly, but I got it. So the buttons are like totally that you can open it. It's like a wraparound kind of a thing. You can open the buttons and wear it. The belt looks good, so the leather is good, and it has a liner itself within it. The tops which I actually wanted to pair it up was a rigid kind of a top, like a very fitting one and like deep cuts one. So this is the black one, which looks like this, and the next one is a white. So I got these plain simple tops to pair this one up with. So this is the white one, the high neck one. Both the tops costed me, this one is for 5.99 and the other one is for 3.99. The black one is for 3.99, the white one is for 5.99. But the clothes of black and white are really different. This is very stretchy one, and this one is also stretchy, but a different kind of. I like the stretch and the cloth of the black one more. So yeah, it's something like that. So guys, the next one is like a vacation collection which I've got many things, but I really like to go for beaches and I am a beach person. So this is kind of a skirt which you could wrap around for a beach. So it has a flare in the middle and it has a zip and the back, and the color looks awesome. So it's not a like full length, it's a knee length skirt, and you can actually make the flare in the side as well if you want, and it would look like this. But I really think in the middle itself it looks good, so you can wear it like this. I actually got a very loose kind of a top with it. It's a shirt, a very loose one, and you can tie a knot in front and you can make it a fit. But it is a very silky, smoothie cloth, and it has many colors in it, so you can pair this one up with so many things, a white hot pant or like blue jeans or a casual wear with sneakers. But yeah, the print I love the most. So the top costed me around 7.99 and the skirt was for around 12.99 pounds. So yeah, both the pairs you can wear all separately, but both are very beachy and vacation kind of a dress. There's one more top which I've got, a mango color, which you can pair with the rug jeans, and this is very stretchy one. The look of this top is little off shoulder, and it's kind of this, it's cropped and it's very well fitted. So yeah, this would look good for with something which is light at the bottom, so that the color is, because the color is very bright, so I don't want one more bright thing over it. So the actions would look good. The cost of this one was around, it was for 5.99 pounds, so 6 pounds. So yeah, it's good. So I've got the top which I'm wearing also is from Zara, from the same collection, this sale collection. This one costed me around 7.99. It is also a little pleated one, little airy and like with good sleeve kind of attire. So I just got it from for a casual thing, like making this video and all. So I like the color, the print, and it was very easy to wear. So yeah, I got this one. So in the beach collection, as we were, the next one is the purple skirt which I've got. It's the pleated one. Yeah, it's kind of a this, and it's still like, it's lengthy, but it's from the waist, and you can pair this up with a bralette over a jacket or a crop top, a white crop top with a sneaker. But it is very flary, cool, and very windy kind of a stuff. This one costed me around 9.99, so 10 pounds. I really love the color, the fabric, and the pleats it has. So that's all guys from my collection. I hope you liked the video and the way I have dressed things up. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you like it, please like the video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, do all the good things. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day ahead. See ya soon.